Good morning, YouTube. Welcome to Colorado. I'm not moving here from Pennsylvania, the greatest state in the Union. I'm just out here for work. I had an epiphany on the plane ride out, and I'm curious what y'all's opinion is. It's not technology related, it's brain related. I think that was a poor shot. Goddamn Rocky Mountains. So rocky. Screw it. I can't talk and snowboard. It's a nice idea, but for reasons I'll explain later, it's better if I make this video at home. If you were a kid who liked snowboarding in 2001, this game was monumental. The hours I spent farting into my parents' IKEA couch and blasting down entire mountains. Easily the second most memorable thing I experienced in 2001. Remember physical media? And the New York City skyline? I've seen my channel demographics. Not all of you do. Unfortunately, as a youngling, I was too chicken shit to actually try strapping on a snowboard. 4 years ago, on account of I was turning 30 and knew if I didn't take a lesson now I never would, I did. It was a bucket list achievement I did as a memorial tribute to my 10-year-old self. I knew if I learned snowboarding, I would finally look cool. But you know what it actually did for me? It saved my mental health. It's not an easy time to be a young adult male. Either you're a guy with a stressful job and mortgage, mouths to feed, and the pressures of being a provider in a tough economy, or you're a guy who has none of those things, which is kind of worse, actually. I've been both of those guys, and I wanted to offer up some unsolicited advice that's gotten me through the most stressful and depressing episodes from this poorly written sitcom of a life. I don't mean to minimize the struggle women have to go through, so no offense to the 6% of my subscribers missing a Y chromosome, but I'm gonna stay in my lane. Here it is. Come snowboarding. If you're like me, you can't voluntarily shut out the distractions. It doesn't work. So throw yourself into something that doesn't give you a choice. Snowboarding is just an example. What you need to do as a man is participate in an activity that completely consumes your conscious mind for a period of time. Something where distractions are a hazard. Did I leave the oven on? Ugh, I have to do my taxes when I get home. I think I'm in love with my buddy's girlfriend. My boss is such a dick. Obviously, this stupid sport isn't feasible for most people, but try indoor go-karting, or target shooting, martial arts, skiing, motorcycle riding. I've even heard golf works, but first of all, I don't see how. And second of all, gay! Find an activity that's compatible with your lifestyle that will cause you to eat if you for one moment stop thinking about the here and now. Those are activities we did every day as cavemen, and you need to dust off that floppy drive and run that program from time to time. mammothhunter.exe. Don't worry, life's problems will be there waiting for you when you get back. They're not going anywhere, but if you never exercise your caveman brain, you just might. So in conclusion, thanks for watching. Whew.